Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, as we have completed first chapter yesterday, and I hope you all have understood it. So now you yourself have to do all the exercise of first chapter except the exercise working with the text. I'll send all questions answer and the words meaning, those you have to write in your fair notebook. And now today in this video we are going to discuss the first poem of this book, and the name of that poem is The Squirrel, and the writer of this poem is Mildred Bowers Armstrong. This poem is very interesting, so before starting the poem, let's discuss something about the squirrel. You have seen the squirrels. They hop around the trees. They are found in the gardens. They like to eat nuts, run here and there. They are very funny and lovely creatures. Now let's start the summary. The poet described that its tail looks like a question mark, as when the squirrel sits, it coils and folds its tail like a question mark. And its skin and hair's color is grey, and its hair is very shiny and thick also, that looks like a coat that squirrel had worn. And also the squirrel sat up straight to eat nuts, just like you can see in the picture in your book. And also the squirrels like tease and play. Tease means to make fun of a person in a playful manner. And if anyone run towards the place where the squirrel are, so they move to the other side or the other place. So this is the summary. Now your homework is to write the summary in your own sentences. So after summary, I'll explain this poem in this video. So before explaining this poem, I'll read out once this poem. He wore a question mark for tail and overcoat of a grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play, and if we run around his tree, he went the other way. Now look at the sentences above the poem. You may have seen a squirrel sitting on the ground eating a nut. Means you all have seen the squirrel sitting on the ground and eating the nut. So he asked, what did it look like? Means what did the squirrel looks like? And here is a poet's description of just such a squirrel. And in this poem, there is some description of a squirrel when it was sitting on the ground and eating nut. So the poet wrote in his poem that he wore a question mark for tail and overcoat of grey. The poet said that when the squirrel sits, its tail looks like a question mark, because when the squirrel sat down, it coils its tail like a question mark. And the skin and the hair on the body of the squirrel, its color is grey and very loose also, and that looks like a coat. That's why the poet said its color and its skin, that this is a coat. And squirrel wore a grey color's coat. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. So in the second line, the poet said that when the squirrel sat to eat something, so it sat just straight, and eat the nuts. And also the poet said that the squirrel loved to play with the human being. It is not afraid of a human being. In spite, the squirrel loved to play the human being and to tease them. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other side. In this line, the poet said that the squirrel loved to play with the human being and liked to tease. So if any human being runs or went towards the tree where the squirrel was, so the squirrel doesn't go away, but the squirrel went to the other side or to the other place. So this is your poem and its explanation. You all will have to learn this poem by heart. And one more thing I want to say to all of you, that very few students are watching the videos, and very few students also send their homework. So I request to all of you, please everybody watch this video and every day send your homework. Thank you very much.